So let's move on down, Jamie, to our next dish.
Okay.
And because we're gonna need for these to marinate for about 30 minutes. These are lime shrimp lettuce wraps.
Yum.
We need 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of olive oil. We need a couple of teaspoons
You want to see the trick?
Oh, I do. I love it when you juggle.
Look at that.
Who said I didn't have talented children?
It's my one talent.
No, you have more talents than that, son. All right, so I'm gonna grate us up 2 teaspoons of fresh ginger. And how many of the limes are you doing, son?
I'm gonna do all 4 of them.
Okie doke. Jamie, if you would add 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of soy.
2 of these of the oil. I love the smell of the soy and the limes together already.
Yeah.
It's awesome.
I'm mincing up 1 clove of garlic, y'all, and it was a nice, healthy clove. Now we've got 1 pound of jumbo shrimp, and I'm dumping in our garlic. In goes our garlic. And you can see that our shrimp have been deveined and detailed. So in they go. We're gonna cover them, let them marinate for 30 minutes.
That's a good looking marinade.
These are gonna be delicious wraps. Nutritious, delicious, and very, very low in calories. You gotta like that. You remember when we left, we had marinated our shrimp. And if you would dice me up about half a red bell pepper and those green onions. I've got a small can of water chestnuts that I've drained. All right, so I'm gonna slide these over here and I'm gonna change with that. And I'm just gonna take our water chestnuts and I'm gonna mince them up. This is gonna give our wraps a little crunch. And to our pan, we're gonna add 1 more tablespoon of vegetable oil and 1 more tablespoon of soy sauce.
I'll do that so it'll be hot for us.
Okay. I think our pan's hot, so I'm gonna go ahead and pour our shrimp, marinade and all. Now I'm gonna turn this back up.
Okay.
I'm gonna add our water chestnuts. Go ahead, son.
Okay. Chop
And
up
this
these
is
green
not gonna
onions.
take but about 3 or 4 minutes, y'all, for our shrimp to get done. When they've turned pink and the transparency is gone from them, you know they're done. Jamie, this shrimp looks and smells delicious, and it's just almost done. You can see that our shrimp are turning pink. So let's come in here with a lettuce leaf. I don't know if this is gonna make it to the lawn.
Hurry. Oh, those look so good.
I think it's gonna make it to the end of the counter, y'all.
You wanna taste
They
them?
are beautiful, yes I do.
I got you a fork down here.
Yes, I do. Beautiful.
Gorgeous.
What a wonderful little healthy lunch. So good.